Okay, guys, we are back again on a new video reaction. Commander Gentle has surfaced again, throwing his support and his love for U.S. President Donald Trump. After the inauguration, people, have been sending well wishes, messages, and everything. And Gentle decided not to keep silent. Biafra Division Army, some of them, if not all, they gathered together and they share their own love and support to Donald Trump. Even though people have rumored that Gentle is no more, that the Nigerian army have vetted his camp and burned his tent, everything down. He's nowhere to be found. In fact, some people actually said that he's no longer alive. They have buried him and all that. But in this video, you're going to see him because everything is not hidden. Gentle is not somebody that likes to come out every now and then, but sometimes he will just surface and pass his message very, very clear. You can see the love and support from different other commanders to him because he happened to be the leader. Though he have many enemies, people who claim that they want him to be quiet, they want his head, they want him to gone and all that. Personally, I don't know why, but I don't want the video to be too long. Let us just make it snappy. Just hear this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, of course. Before I release this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Click on the like button and comment. Tell us what you think about this. God bless you. Bye bye for now.
Easy. And I see the sweet us.
You could depend them.
I see the pen them.
You could the sweet us.
I don't make them like a I can only let when I go follow what I send you to check and moon. I could do so very well.
He said,
what is saying? I want to care what you.
He said,
I'm not to tell you. He said, what's all that trying out to He said, what do I and now you had a child. They will kill us, we will kill them. After every Biafra. I'm an heart of a guy here. Managa, he said, how will you need a Miami Garden and I will need you and let it and dog. And always said, you know what you're like, you know, Oglo fucking the Jawa. And always I hear Jala move outside Yoruba, sing down Sunday Yoruba for Korea, and I try your job. I say, naturally, I want to point. He said, Oban, I get about Lugu outside, I like Yoruba, sing down Sunday Yoruba for Korea. And I try and go down and I I told them no why you are Biafra. And I try to take out and try. I said, Momuna, I didn't have you try and did it all at the
He said, He said, He said, He said,
I don't know what now. I tell you, Abraham is easier.
He said,
I cannot go to Kabia. When you know, Trump, you are the person, I don't care. I can let you. Ma, bulikwela aha Trump elu congrats agha maka na ọ dịghị izi n'ihe Chukwuka ebe mebere anyị. A na-ekwudebe ndị Muslim nọ ka a na-ekwudebe the Nigerian terrorist nọ n'ime ndụ anyị n'ime ala Biafra. Ụmụnne ya na-egbu ya na-ebukwasa anya ebubo n'elu ya. A sị ekekere eluigwe ka ụwa ndị ichela ndị egere na ndị ọgbọ ndị ụmụara ndị ọma na dị ma mmụọ na niile na agba niile anyị na-emere ya. A sị ekele ya dịkwara ha. Anyị agụọla ọfa n'ihi na oke ọtụtụ okwu adịghị ala ụka nwere kama sị na anụ etuto nwere ọnụ ụlọ esiri ọnụ ya agba abụ etutola enweghị ọnụ na-esiri ọnụ ya leche ebe ọla sara wee gbaa abụ Biafra wee etuto nwere ọnụ anyị esiri ọnụ anyị wee repụta Congress consol Biafra must come. Whether they like it or not, Biafra have come to stay. Thank the Elohim, one of Israel, for all he have done to us by bringing Trump back to the seats. We give him thanks. And that is why we are gathering in the respect of my commander, my able commander, Triple General Butozo. We are standing firmly. No matter what so may be their plans, no matter the rate of war that they have come with, and also victory must be yours. Biafra will carry. Whether they like it or not. We are defending our motherland. And we must fight to make sure we defend the mother's land. And the owners of the land,
not themselves.
We give thanks and praise unto God. That's it.
What about Tobia?
We have come today to appreciate His Excellency Donald Trump. We have come to congratulate him. We are congratulating him for coming back to the seat. His Excellency, gentle the Yahoo, with his man, and for the respect of our leader, Igwe Butozo, the Triple General, the Chief of Armed Forces in Biafra land. He sent this message through me. He is congratulating you for coming back to the seat. We really appreciate what the Lord has done to Biafrans. We are so much happy because the plans of the enemy, the zoological country, does not work. They are among the country that planned so solidly to make sure that they sentence you 10th of this January. But as God may have it, today you are in the seat. And we all say, hip, 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 hooray! Biafrans are saying, hip, 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 hooray! Biafrans are saying, hip, 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 hooray!